Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an OD, welcome back, guys. As you can see by the title, we are doing a soft Valentine's Day inspired look. I wanted to do something soft on the eyes, a bold lip, something cute that you can do, some type of inspiration for a Valentine's Day look, whether y'all are having a date night or at home, dinner date, whatever, and you want to get cute. I wanted to provide you guys with a cute little look that you could do at home or just a cute look in general. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then let's go ahead and watch. I don't even know why I'm not talking, but for this part, I'm just going to explain to you guys. A lot of liners I don't have the color of, or the color I want for the look, I may not have the liner for. So a way to dupe that out is that if I have a matte lipstick, I will use that in an angle brush and I will use that to form a liner. So that's what we're going to do here. We are going to form a liner using this color to try to match and darken out the corner to try to form a cute little Valentine's Day look. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so before we finish this look, I wanted to come on here because what I'm thinking, there's two things that I want to do, and I'm kind of skeptical about how I'm going to do it, so I'm going to play it safe. So for the first thing I want to do is put a little bit of glitter in the corner of my lid, and then the other thing is I want to put two hearts, like one and then two, on the outer part of my lids, and I want them to be white. But what I'm going to do is I'm definitely going to put glitter in the corner of my lids, but the heart part, I'm going to do that like after everything else, like hair, make, lip, then we're going to do the heart last, because honestly I don't know how this is going to turn out, and if it don't turn out right, then at least I still did a look. I still got some good pictures, and so let's go ahead and do the inner glitter and then get dressed, and then we'll go from there if we add on a heart. All right, so y'all already know I'm gonna go in with Old Faithful, which is the NYX glitter glue, and I have this because I wanted something round just to try to like dot the corner, because I don't want a whole lot. I may even use my finger, the one that I don't have no nail. I may just like dot it in the corner because I don't want it to be direct. When I do this, I want it to be more sporadic in that area, and I actually may just use my finger because I don't want it to be in one area. I kind of want it to be like a fade out into the color. So that's what I'm hoping to achieve here. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and line the lips using the lipstick that we used to line the lips with the matte lipstick that we used to line our eyes. I guess not, because that's pretty much gone now. I'm gonna use a liner for the top part. Well, let's just do it, guys. Let's just do it, like, because at this point, I'm gonna do the clear. So I'm gonna go in with the clear glitter. I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna keep doing it till like the glue actually dissolves. Oh, that's pretty. Kind of fun little. Yeah. Oh, this was good. It worked out. It looked good either way though, guys. So okay. Okay, y'all, so it turned out good. The lip, I don't know, I'm not used to like wearing a bold lip, but let's do it, you know? So let's get dressed and we'll come back for the final reveal. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much it for the video. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.